first guys come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, this is officially website, so you can download the driver. You can see here the search button and then enter your motherboard name B760 Gaming X Generations 5, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click here on title of motherboard name. Then click to support. This is your motherboard, you can see here. Click to support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 12, which one. Okay, so select any operating system, installations process same. Okay, so first we can see here audio driver. Click to download. I already downloaded, so I show you how to install. Okay, I will download it fresh. You can see this is start downloading. This is then it is done, and just single click to open. You can see this is extracted all drivers is. So guys, if you have to extract, you can and select your locations. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise you just directly double click this file and wait some seconds. It will come installations process, then click to yes. You can see here audio driver installing. So it is close automatic, means it is done, and then close it.